Afternoon, folks. It's Sunday afternoon. Just had lunch. Just got back from church a little bit ago. And typically, I try to avoid or keep chores to a minimum on Sunday. Keep it as much of a down day as we can, but some days it just doesn't work out. There's things that got to be done. So I got to go feed a couple round bales to the cows. But while I'm going up there, I'm going to start the skid steer up, let that thing warm up, get ready to go. I thought it was a good opportunity for an abbreviated Sunday Gunday. I got to give this carbine a go through. I just put a new Ford receiver on it that I got for Christmas. I had to have it broken down, put a new, readjust the gas block, and so I just want to make sure it's working right. And I'll take the opportunity to bang a few off while I can, and then we'll finish chores. So have some fun, Sunday Gunday. That was fun. So only had time to do a little bit today, but I'm pretty happy with that. It's hitting accurate and didn't lose my zero. So it seems to be hitting pretty good. You can see back behind me some steel targets I was shooting at. There's one, and there's another one further up on the hill. Back up there is about maybe 50 yards on the top one. So not too crazy, but nice to bang a little bit. And I'm happy with this. This is my first go around with an AR pistol, and it's been a lot of fun so far. So enjoying it and looking forward to messing with it a little bit more. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty relaxed during the wintertime. There's not too much we have to do on a daily basis, and we enjoy the little bit slower pace. So I got done, came in, get a cup of coffee, fresh cookies, and I think we're getting together with some friends later this afternoon. So just a relaxed Sunday afternoon. Hope you guys are having a good one. Take care.